So here's the trick for you if you're dry fasting for the very first time and you want it to be easier, because a lot of people, this dry fasting is psychological. You know, they are used to eating 3 meals a day, the food gives them joy, etc. Well, you can go on a dry fast, a 24-hour dry fast or a 16-hour dry fast, for instance. Start 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. And then go all the way to 7 p.m. if you're doing 24, or go all the way to 5 or 4 p.m. if you're doing less than 24 hours. This way you don't feel the full force of the dry fast, but you get all the benefits of the dry fast. Okay, a dry fast basically means no food, no water, and it's one of the most healing things you can do for yourself. You want to be doing 24 to 96-hour dry fast. It's tough, so do not jump into a dry fast without preparing yourself with a fruit diet protocol for at least 3 to 4 weeks. So I hope this helps you. I hope this puts you on the right path. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below.